Are you struggling to create healthy habits in your life?
And need some tips to help make them stick?
Stay tuned to learn how.
Hi, I'm Amy.
And I'm Steven.
Welcome to our channel, Heal Every Day Together, where we are creating a community of healing.
I'm a 9-year chronic myeloid leukemia survivor.
And I'm Steven's wife and caregiver. I'm also a certified health coach through the Dr. Sears Wellness Institute.
If you're new here, please join Team Heal by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell.
This video is part 2 of our Making Habits Stick series, and we're going to share some more techniques for building healthy habits and making them stick. If you're watching this video, good for you for taking ownership over your health and making positive changes. The very first step to living a healthy life is to commit. Your efforts and hard work will be rewarded with better health and energy.
Amy and I have daily healthy routines that we have developed over the years, and we believe these routines are part of the reason I have been in remission for over 5 years.
Now, habits are automatic. We don't have to think about them. It's part of our day. We just do them.
We want to build healthy habits in our lives so that exercising and eating well are something we automatically do every day.
Over the years, we learned some tricks to making habits stick, and today we're going to share them with you.
Work on one habit at a time.
When the new year starts, we're all super motivated to change a whole list of things about ourselves, our diet, our exercise routine, our entire lifestyle.
But when you try to make too many changes at one time, you're more likely to get overwhelmed and become discouraged.
So we're encouraging you to focus on one specific habit that you want to add into your life and work on getting consistent with one habit before you try to add more.
For example, over the years, I've added more vegetables to my diet. I didn't change my diet overnight. I didn't go from eating no vegetables to all the vegetables. I remember it took me a year to get comfortable eating peppers, and then a year to get used to eating mushrooms.
Designate a place to do your habit.
Assign a place to perform your habit.
For example, we do our weightlifting and yoga in the living space upstairs. We have our dumbbells and mat there.
So every time we go upstairs, being in the space helps us focus and is our cue to start weightlifting or doing yoga. We've associated with being upstairs with those two activities.
The context, place, or environment where you perform your habit is important. So if you can, find a spot that doesn't have any other activity associated with it. So for example, we don't weightlift or do yoga in our kitchen because that's where we cook. We have a special spot just for weightlifting and yoga.
Have accountability. For many of us, it's really important to have accountability, especially for new things that we're trying to establish in our lives.
One way to have accountability, as we discussed in part 1, is by tracking your progress.
We learned that as a survivor and caregiver, we could keep each other accountable since our lives are interdependent.
Your accountability buddy doesn't have to be your caregiver. It can be another family member, friend, or coworker, and you can even have virtual buddies.
Some people keep themselves accountable on social media by posting that they worked out, for instance.
There's lots of different ways to keep yourself accountable, so choose one that works for you.
Manage expectations. You will have setbacks. It will take time and effort for you to establish a new habit.
There's this myth that all you need is 21 days to form a habit.
Unfortunately, that's not true. One study found on average it can take about 66 days, but some people took as long as 8 months or more.
Just keep at it every day if you can, but understand that it's okay not to be perfect.
If you miss your exercise time, try to exercise later in the day. If you skip one day, try to make sure you exercise the next day. Missing one day is not a reason to give up or quit.
Be patient. Sometimes when we don't see immediate results, we want to quit. Do not quit.
It may take a long time to see the effects of your habit, to really feel you are making progress and getting better.
So for example, when I started running over 5 years ago, I was really slow, so slow. In fact, Steven could walk next to me as I was running.
So what I try to focus on as I'm trying to establish a new habit is the pride and the confidence building that I feel that I'm doing the habit every day. I'm not attaching meaning to whether or not I'm seeing results.
Doing something is better than nothing.
Say you want to get into a habit of walking 30 minutes every day. If you don't feel well, just try to do 10 minutes or even 5 minutes.
Doing a little of your habit is better than not doing it at all. It's about getting into the routine of doing your habit at the time that you scheduled it.
Even if you have to shorten the amount of time, consistency is definitely key.
We've worked many years to develop a healthy routine that includes cooking healthy meals
And exercising every day for about an hour and a half. We do a variety of exercises such as weightlifting, walking, tennis, biking, and occasionally running.
We also do yoga or meditation, and we try to get 7 or more hours of sleep per day.
We follow a method we call Heal Every Day Together, also the name of our channel. Our daily routine covers all 4 pillars of health.
These 4 pillars are H for headspace, E for eating, A for activity, and L for lifestyle. We try to practice habits in each of these pillars every day.
We've worked hard for years to develop all of these habits, and it has definitely been worth it. We truly believe our healthy habits are part of what caused me to go into remission.
Remember, when you're starting a new habit, it's best to speak to your doctor or medical team, especially if it will impact your health. It's important to know the appropriate changes to make in your diet, exercise, and lifestyle.
We've included links below with additional information if you'd like to read more.
Please share your thoughts with us and we'll comment back. What healthy habits are you trying to bring into your life? What tips do you have for people trying to develop healthy habits?
We're here to support each other and to learn from each other. We're all part of Team Heal, and we hope we can help everyone in our cancer community live healthy lives.
Hit the subscribe button and the bell to join Team Heal. We all need teammates to support us in living a healthy lifestyle.
We're here to coach cancer survivors and caregivers on how to live healthy lives, and we want you to be part of our team of healing.
If you have any questions, drop them down below and we'll answer them.
We are Stephen and Amy from the Heal Every Day Together channel. Check out the link below to our website to find out more about our program for cancer survivors and caregivers.
Making healthy changes takes effort, but it's possible and you can do it. Have hope that your hard work will mean a healthier life. We believe in you.
Best wishes to everyone out there as you work to develop healthy habits and live a life of wellness. Thank you for joining us today. Together we heal.